And I'm in New York for the first time. I hate this weather, but I like the view. It makes me think of new beginnings.
One can beat coronavirus by regularly exercising or walking for good 30 minutes with maintaining social distancing and wearing N95 mask. Inactivity is strongly associated with hospitalization, ICU admission according to the review of scientists. Our morning starts with a beautiful walk with nature. During the visit with nature, I found a beautiful scene and I got a chance to capture. These days there is no rush, no tiffin making for kids, no traffic, no hustle bustles. In big cities where nature is tamed and just not take an important place in daily life, I could get a chance to take care of my garden after the work and just souring them. Since these days work from home has started, so there is a lot of time for us to calmly enjoy the nature with our work. So I believe world is incomprehensibly beautiful and endless prospect of magic and wonder. Just 2 minutes sharing some grains with these beautiful birds, you will feel so calmful. So these days there is no household helps, so all the household chores need to be done by ourselves. So it's so fun making all the things on the cleaning process together is nothing less than a fun activity. So rather feeling stressful, we should feel it relax and enjoy the household chores. So it's now the time to make the health immunity booster kadha. So this is typically maybe prepared in all the houses nowadays, and this kadha preparation is typical Indian style. And so let's see how I am preparing this kadha. So I already boiled some crushed ginger in hot water. Now one half spoon of around the crushed pepper and freshly crushed clove and cinnamon. I'm going to crush them and I'll put it inside the water. Sure, in different houses, different combinations of these herbs must be added in the hot water to prepare the kadha, and the combined goodness of these herbs act to strengthen our immunity and just protect against such infections including coronavirus. So let's have this healthy drink. These immunity booster kadhas what I prepare, with that I will add some Dava hot sip powder, which is also one kind of kadha recipe by Dabur, and for Palesha I will put some extra honey on it. And honey also with kadha works great for small kind of infections and cough or respiratory tract problems. Apart from the immunity boosting, these kadhas will relax our body, decrease any kind of increase in the body temperature, improve the skin quality, strengthen our stomach health also. So after this kadha, we'll move for our breakfast, and we are these days trying to have good food and which are specially immunity boosting and help us to fight for COVID. So we don't know, anybody can infect anywhere, so we never know, but the precautions we should take, and we are taking. So exercise, as I told, that very good for kids as well. So giving some time to my daughter to have exercise inside the home. So outside these days are scary, so inside exercise is quite fun. Proper nutrition, hydration are vital. Well balanced food, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, grains can help us from any kind of chronic diseases. So let's see what we have in our fridge to arrange for our breakfast. So this is a walnut brownie and some freshly cut salads and some fruits, and with that bread and eggs. And as a drink we are here choosing mango and pineapple flavored lassi. So this is summer and lassi is a great option for morning or evening, any time of food.
Wow, so cute. Like a head. Two eyes.
Yeah, looking so cute. Kind of home cooked food, loyal family time, and all meals together with the family members is possible during this time. And we are all enjoying this time. We are all together, locking ourselves inside the home and enjoying our own time. Different kinds of tulsi drops are available in the market, and we are using some tulsi drops to put inside our drinking water bottles so that we can consume whole day. After our breakfast, all are busy in doing their own work. While my daughter is attending her online classes and doing her homeworks, and husband is working from home for his online classes, and myself is also preparing for my classes.
କେତେ ହ୍ରାସ ପକେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ନବ
All have finished with their work, and now it's time for a craft time or family craft time. So during this pandemic or during the second crisis of coronavirus, so almost all parts of our house has been prepared with DIY projects. Soon I make a tour of the DIY projects that I have made during this time, and this is a glass painting which is going on, and these glass paintings are quite easy and we are truly having fun with that, and even my child is enjoying and making herself engaged with these beautiful crafts, and she doesn't feel like to have bored time or kind of mobile watching or any kind of things. So this beautiful craft has been turned out to be so wonderful. Just have a look, and so can you see the beautiful girl having a flowery lips and butterfly nose and this beautiful green color leafy eyeshadow and eyebrows. So it turned out to be so beautiful, and with this painting we just put a white color like chart sheet as a background to make it more vibrant. There are several DIY projects you can see here on a single door, and this one is a masterpiece and it's so beautiful. The best things to engage kids is to cultivate or nurture the hobbies. So guys, please enjoy after this craft this beautiful song by Palesha. So guys, it's evening time, and for us evening kadha recipes are different. It's giloy, tulsi, ashwagandha juice available ready made, and have to just put some warm water with that with 20 ml, and that's it. Several brands are available, and the composition which is used here we are using, they're strongly immune booster and herbal products, moreover having no harmful effects. These are the brands what I personally use, and they are working so good. And this is for your information. I will tell you that this is not a promotional video, and these are the products I personally use them. So weight management with less activity during the day is a great challenge. These kadhas are helpful for putting our metabolism in right order, and for dinner we are just taking grainless and wetness chana chaat, and the recipes is already available in my channel, and I'll put the link in the description down below. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button if you like the video. Soon I will upload a lot of videos to engage kids during this lockdown. So guys, that's it for today, and bye.